Hello, I'm Jillian, and today we're diving into the vibrant world of the sacral chakra and the powerful crystals that can help balance and energize this essential energy center. And then we'll explore some affirmations and ways to use these crystals to balance and energize your sacral chakra. The sacral chakra, or Svadhisthana, is located just below your navel at the lower abdomen and is the center of creativity, passion, and sensuality. When balanced, it allows us to experience life fully, embrace our emotions and desires, and express our true selves. When out of balance, you might experience reproductive dysfunction, overactive or underactive libido, jealousy, or stagnant creativity. Today, we'll explore 6 amazing crystals that can support and enhance your sacral chakra: orange calcite, carnelian, amber, moonstone, copper, and sunstone. First up, we have orange calcite. This vibrant stone is excellent for boosting your creativity and helping you overcome any emotional blockages. It's like a burst of sunshine, infusing your sacral chakra with positive energy and inspiration. Next, we have carnelian. Known for its fiery energy, carnelian is perfect for increasing motivation, courage, and vitality. It's a powerful stone for those looking to rekindle their passion and zest for life. Amber, with its warm golden glow, is a wonderful crystal for grounding and healing. It connects us to ancient wisdom and helps clear any negative energy, promoting a balanced and harmonious sacral chakra. Amber also brings the warmth and positivity of the sun. Moonstone is a beautiful stone that enhances intuition and emotional balance. Its soothing energy is perfect for calming the sacral chakra and encouraging gentle, nurturing self-care. Copper is a powerful conductor of energy. It amplifies the properties of other crystals and helps to balance the sacral chakra by promoting the flow of positive energy throughout your body. Lastly, we have sunstone. This crystal radiates joy and positivity, helping to dispel fears and self-doubt. It's a fantastic stone for bringing light and happiness into your life, energizing your sacral chakra with its vibrant, sunny energy. Here at Bliss Crystals, we also have a sacral chakra box set. This set includes 7 stones and a clear quartz point. It also has an info card, the beautiful keepsake box, and an organza pouch. Now that we've explored these amazing crystals, let's integrate their energy with 2 powerful affirmations to open and balance your sacral chakra. Repeat after me. I am radiant, beautiful, and strong. I enjoy a healthy and passionate life. I embrace my creativity, and I let my unique light shine brightly. You can repeat these affirmations as you hold any one of these crystals, or collect them in a pouch and place them over your lower abdomen as you lay down. Thank you for joining us today. Remember to incorporate these crystals and affirmations into your daily routine to keep your sacral chakra balanced and vibrant. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and bell icon for more spiritual insights and crystal wisdom. Until next time, stay radiant and keep shining your light. Namaste.